See?
Again, so,
It's
oh
baliktad.
yeah. Again, I got it wrong. Yo.
Ang lakas.
Oh, bidet. Yo. We don't want our puwet to be targeted. Yo. This is Obsuna. Obsessions. It feels good that I'm able to do it. Welcome to yet another episode of Obsuna Obsession Vlog. Well, I was in a hiatus for such a long time because life got busy here in America. So I made a promise to myself that once I get free, the first thing that I'll do is to go back to vlogging. And here I am. Please excuse my eye bag. Excuse my horrible looking and shirt because I just woke up from the bed and I hadn't been able to sleep well. That's why I'm looking like this, and let's do it. Yeah, so for today's episode, I'm gonna be sharing with you my bidet unboxing and bidet installation. What is bidet? So this one, this is a toilet spray. This is very popular amongst Filipino, and especially if you are living in Middle East. We were in Middle East for such a long time, and when we got here in America, to our surprise, that they are not into bidets. So the first thing that I'll show you is how to unbox it, and then later on I'm gonna be showing you how to install it. So I got it from Amazon. So it's an Arofa. It's an Arofa brand. So I'm gonna be unboxing it now. So while unboxing, yes, life got busy on my side here. There were so many twists and turns. There were so many life decisions that had happened to me. Now I got time, full-time vlogging. So expect that there would be lots of videos that I'm going to share with you. And yeah, here we go. Well, I'm having a difficult time to unbox it. So I'm gonna put it here on my table and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Oh wow. So what I got is three pieces. So it's like a 3 packs of bidet. So I'm gonna show you the second one. So this is the toilet hose. So yeah, it's a flexible one. And of course, so here you go. So I'm gonna remove all the hose and then the manual. So later on, I'm gonna be following all the manuals here during the installation. Let's see, we'll do trial and error. And yes, this is the bidet handle. This comes in 2 colors. The one I got is the silver one, but you can also have it in a black matte type of thing. So I like it here. And of course, yeah. One of the things that I don't like here is the handle. Well, you can hang it on the, ano kasi tawag dun sa, basta ihang mo siya later on. And you can also have it installed against the wall. So later on, we will figure out whether we can hang it there on the where the water reservoir is, or we can install it against the wall. This is where the connection is. So make sure that there is a water washer inside the black one so the water will not overflow. One, I will have to connect it to the main water pipe, and one is connected to the bidet. So later on, I'm going to show everything to you. And of course, the washer. So make sure that when you put everything connected, you have to put this washer to make the leak happen. So that's pretty much it. So it's a very basic thing, very simple. So I am going to show you how am I going to install it in the bathroom. First thing that you need to do is to put the cloth here under, and then you have to switch off your water, which I don't know. Is this one? And then you need to drain your, ano kasi tawag dito? Okay, yeah. And then I have to drain it off. There you go. Now, for the installation part, so I am going to hindi pa naman dali. Can you pause it? It's not easy. So I tried a lot of tools that'll make this move, and now I am able to. Oh, it's dripping. It is dripping. Drip, drip, drench. Okay, got it. Okay, the next is I'm gonna have to install this. Okay. So first, I have to make sure that there's a washer inside, so the water will not leak. This one is very important. Okay, this seals the water from inside. Make sure that yes, no, yes or no, no. Sorry guys, I'm not a professional. No, this comes too big. Then push it, push it, push it, push it. And then ready to screw.
Put all first.
Which one?
Put all the washers first.
All the washers, okay. Put all the washers. See, I got a professional son. Here. One up put here, one up put there. Okay, 1 second. Okay. Very easy. That's the reason why I'm doing this vlog for. Okay, and then for the next part, yeah, I'm gonna connect this with, I don't know which one here. Probably this. Okay, this one. Okay, so you have to remove the blue cover cap, and then there's already a washer inside. Okay, first I'm
No.
to here.
No, Daddy.
Mommy, can you show that to them?
It's baliktad.
No, 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 no.
Look, this one.
No, 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 no. Alright. I think I am done. I am so done. I think so. I think so. I'm so done. Yeah. Okay, show it to them. Ay, di mo pala. Ba't ako yung binibideo mo? Dapat yung dito.
Oh.
Okay, show it to them na. So this connects to the bidet itself, the bidet hose. And this connects to the water. This connect here to the tank. And then this is the water, okay? So when I turn it on, we'll see. Alright.
You have to turn on the knob there.
The valve here.
Yeah. So that you can use the...
Yeah.
You can use both.
And then, for this one, for the meantime, we'll have it hang here. For the meantime. Okay, but I'll definitely would figure out, okay, if I'm going to have it installed here in again.
See?
So,
It's
oh
baliktad.
yeah. Again, I got it wrong. So probably I need to redo everything. No.
It's leaking, so... It's leaking, Daddy.
It is leaking?
There's water drip under.
No, it's not. Okay, let me just redo it. So I told you this.
Did you turn off that?
I did.
Okay.
So So this happens if you're not professional. So chances are you can get mixed up. Okay. So this connects here to the bidet spray head. And this connects here. So I got it reversed. Okay, I got it mixed up. And then no worries, it's a simple one. Okay, now for the testing part, move.
You have to turn on the valve. Ang lakas.
Oh, bidet. Now, we don't want our puwet to be targeted or to, so we are trying to, to kind of calibrate the pressure. So there is a bulb. Can you show them the bulb? Where to adjust. This one. So if you want na pang tira, just put it full on. Maybe when you are cleaning. And then if you wanted to make it light, look at the pressure. Can you show the pressure? Okay. Oh, this one. Yeah, I think I have done it successfully.
Yay! Yes.
Yeah, I think that's fine. Alright, so the main purpose of us installing it today is to get rid of this dipper or tabo. Yes. So the thing that I don't like here is the where you should hang it. So we got an option to install it against the wall, but that would be for the later work. So we're pretty much satisfied with this. Arofa is one of the best brand, I should say. This is what my friends are also saying. And we got it for $120 something for 3 packs. Yeah, so it's pretty much reasonable because this is not common here in the US. Yeah, so there you go. So I'm gonna be installing the bidets in all of our bathroom upstairs. And yeah, thank you for hanging around with me. As I mentioned, I'm gonna be flooding you with lots of videos because I am so free. Shout out to those who are from Shamrocks who are watching my live. I mean my vlog. Okay. Alright, so there you have it. This has been your Obsuna Obsessions. Hola.